What's up, everybody? And I am pumped to finally get the ball rolling on this channel. For the past 2 months, I have been preparing for the channel, getting it together, working on the content that hopefully that I'm going to be bringing you guys. But first, let me stop and say thank you for clicking on the video and taking the time to hopefully watch the whole thing, because there's some pretty interesting stuff I'm going to go over. But anyway, thank you for taking the time away from some of those bigger channels like Still and Schizo and whatever else you may watch, but watching a small channel. Hopefully you'll be able to see the growth of the channel through time, you know. But let me show you what I've been working on accumulating here. Get this stuff out of the way. So, for the past 2 months, I've been selling some of my old quads to get some new stuff in here to be able to show you guys, like do reviews on and give a little how-to video on how to wire it up and get it in your quad. There was a bardwell, new hyperlite, OSD, aikon 4-in-1. What else we got? On Drone Mesh's channel, he raves over this Tico 32, so I figured, hey, why not give it a shot. This is going to be going in that rooster that you seen in the beginning of the video. This, along with the heliorc, going to give butterfly a shot. Antennas that came in this month's quad box. Got some micro stuff here. Doing reviews on motors, T-Motors F40s. But yeah, along with how-tos on wiring up flight controllers and ESCs and possibly hydro dipping. I may do another video on how to hydro dip. That turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. Be also doing build videos, not only on quads, but I've got a mobile charging station that I'm putting together, and I'm gonna document the process of it. I've got an ISDT T6 light going in it, a bardwell parallel board, and I'm gonna try to put an Xbox PSU in it, see how well that goes. If it works, awesome. If it doesn't, then we'll go the more traditional route and get a computer power supply. But there's gonna be some flight video. Who doesn't like flight video? Overall goal of the channel is to help people. When I first started, I didn't know anything about soldering or quads, none of that stuff, and I came across Project Blue Falcon's channel, and with his help and, you know, Bardwell's too, I got to where I could confidently build a quad without it flipping out when you arm it or any of that crazy stuff. Yeah, we still have problems, but you know, I've gotten better at troubleshooting stuff. And it seems like that's the hardest thing when it comes to these quads is there's something wrong, but you just quite don't know what. And I wanna give back to this awesome community, this FPV family, so to speak.